I am a magnet for financial prosperity. Abundance flows effortlessly into my life. I attract wealth and success with ease. Money comes to me from unexpected sources. I am open and receptive to all forms of abundance. I deserve to live a life of financial freedom. My bank account is constantly growing. I am aligned with the energy of unlimited prosperity. I release all limiting beliefs about money. Every day, I am moving closer to my financial goals. Wealth is my birthright, and I claim it now. I am worthy of receiving massive amounts of money. I am a conscious creator of my financial reality. Opportunities for wealth are everywhere, and I seize them. My income increases steadily and effortlessly. Money is a positive and empowering force in my life. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. Financial success is a natural extension of who I am. I am in control of my financial destiny. I release all resistance to receiving wealth. I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life. I attract lucrative opportunities with my positive energy. Money is a tool that allows me to make a positive impact. I radiate confidence in my ability to create wealth. My thoughts are aligned with the frequency of abundance. I am a money magnet, and I attract prosperity effortlessly. I am financially free and living my dream life. Wealth and success flow to me like a river. I am worthy of living an abundant and prosperous life. I am constantly inspired to take actions that lead to wealth. Abundance is my natural state of being. I am open to receiving unexpected windfalls of money. I am in tune with the rhythm of financial abundance. I attract abundance by being true to myself. I release all doubts and fears about money. Money comes to me in perfect timing. I am a vessel of prosperity, and it overflows in my life. I deserve to live life on my own terms, financially. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. I attract wealth with every thought I think. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and success. My bank account reflects my positive relationship with money. I am a wise steward of my financial resources. I am open to receiving wealth from multiple sources. Money is a tool for me to create the life I desire. I release all scarcity consciousness from my mind. I am destined to live a life of abundance and fulfillment. I attract abundance effortlessly, no matter the circumstances. Money flows to me as I align with my true purpose. I am grateful for the financial blessings in my life. Abundance is my reality, and I live it every day. I am a master at manifesting money and opportunities. I attract wealth with my positive and abundant mindset. My financial goals are achievable, and I am taking steps towards them. Money supports me in living a life of joy and contribution. I am open to receiving wealth beyond my wildest dreams. I release all blocks that hinder my financial success. I attract success, abundance, and prosperity effortlessly. Money flows to me in increasing quantities. I am worthy of all the wealth and prosperity life offers. I am a powerful magnet for financial abundance. My thoughts are focused on prosperity and wealth. I am open to receiving limitless abundance from the universe. I'm aligned with the frequency of unlimited financial potential. Money is a positive force that enhances my life and others. I attract wealth by living authentically and passionately. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life. Financial freedom is my birthright, and I claim it now. I am open to receiving wealth from known and unknown sources. I am a conscious co-creator of my financial reality. I embrace all opportunities that lead to financial growth. Money comes to me easily, and I handle it wisely. I release all beliefs that limit my ability to attract money. I am a channel for the universe's abundance to flow through. I am financially secure and at peace with my wealth. Abundance is available to me in every area of my life. I attract wealth by being a source of value to others. I am constantly expanding my capacity to receive abundance. Money is my friend, and it supports my dreams. I release all fears of lack and embrace a mindset of abundance. I am grateful for the abundance that pours into my life. I attract success and prosperity effortlessly and joyfully. Financial abundance is a natural extension of my being. I am open to receiving wealth beyond my imagination. I am aligned with the energy of limitless abundance. I am worthy of all the money and success I desire. Money flows to me as I align with my highest self. I am a magnet for lucrative opportunities and experiences. I release all resistance to living an abundant life. I am a vessel of wealth, and I attract it with ease. I am open to receiving money from diverse sources. I am a powerful creator of my financial reality. Remember, when saying or listening to any affirmations, make sure that you are in a quiet and relaxing place. Make sure that you invoke the feeling of your affirmations as if they are already yours. Bask in the feelings and emotions that your wish is already yours. Use your 5 senses with every emotion and watch the magic happen in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content. Also, if you've used these affirmations and they have worked for you, leave a message in the comment section below. Let's create a supportive community right here. Until next time, take care